Okay, bicep curl, another variation. We do these all the time and I've got so many of them now in my library, but I love coming up or establishing or discovering new ways to train certain muscle groups. It just provides a lot of variation in your training regime. Let me bring this up a bit. Okay, so this is a preacher curl or preacher cable curl or a lengthened cable curl. We're going to use the bench as our fulcrum. Set the pulley just below bench height because we want to get the bicep into the lengthened position. We want to make sure that it is fully elongated in this position, okay? So I've got it at about 20 kilos to start with. Now, in order to effectively set this up, you've got to be down on the ground because you need to be in a very controlled position. If you're too high, it's not going to work. You're going to be coming down on an angle. I want this as lengthened as possible, and I want that pulley just below my elbow position, so I'm getting full elongation in this bicep. I drive the elbow in, and it's a curl from here. Back out, control, full lengthen. Back out, control, full lengthen. I want to get that length, okay? Often people are doing shorter, partial repetitions. This is by far an incredibly effective bicep curl if done correctly. When you get to the lengthened point, you want to almost push your elbow joint that way without losing contact to the bench, very important, okay? But if set up and done correctly, it is incredibly effective bicep exercise. It's just a setup that you've got to do. So obviously in most gyms, they may not like the idea that you put this in the cable machine area because it's in the way or whatever, but if you've got a gym that's fully accepting of that, hopefully most of them are, you're going to have a fantastic experience with this particular exercise. So the lengthened bicep curl and the cable curl, give it a go, I guarantee it.